morning, all of you. Last week, when Nifty, last Friday, when on last Sunday when I made this video, Nifty was actually showing the closing above 16,000 level, and so I analyzed and predicted that Nifty can start its movement and it can move till the level of 16,600 level, and this is the result in front of all of you. It exactly made a high of 16,757. I had given the time frame that it can show this level in the month of July, but the movement was very quick and the level of 16,600 is achieved in a week itself. Now, what next? That is the main question. Global market also continued its rally, but on Friday, Dow Jones and Nasdaq both cooled off a bit. Nasdaq was down by around level of 225, and Dow Jones was down by 187 points, and Nasdaq was down by 225 points. And SGX Nifty is also suggesting us that market may open down, because SGX Nifty currently, as on Sunday evening, it is showing me downtick by 90 points. So in the morning, market may be impacted by this negativity. But the good thing is FIS has already started purchasing. We are having a very good cash figures from last 3 to 4 days by FIS. So that is one of the good factor. Now technically, what is the future of Nifty now? What are the basic levels which can act as a major support and resistance? So on the 60 minutes chart, it is completely positive, but if it can go below 16,600 levels, then the support is directly at around 16,400 levels, which is the level of 65 days average on 60 minutes chart. But on daily chart, it is completely positive, no near term resistance. On the daily chart of the Nifty, see, there is no resistance over here, and it is in the completely in the blue sky. And on the weekly chart, but on weekly and monthly chart, it has two resistance. One is 16,872 levels, which is 65 days moving average on weekly chart, and one more that is on the monthly chart. It is 16,800 level, which is 10 days moving 10 months moving average on monthly chart. So these are the two resistance level which can act as a crucial resistance, which can by touching that levels, Nifty can again reverse its condition. But if Nifty is successful to move above the level of 16,800 and 900 level consecutively, then sky is the limit for Nifty. Then it can directly go to the level of 18,300 in the coming future. But of course, we don't want to be that much optimistic. This level actually I am suggesting because on quarterly chart it is showing me touching characteristics, and this touching characteristics suggest that if it is not moving below 15,800, then eventually it can even touch 18,300 level. But currently we'll just look at the two resistance level, that is 16,800 and 900 levels, and above that levels it can easily go to 17,000 level and 17,300 levels. And in the coming future we may even find the level of 18,300 or so. This was all about Nifty. Last week I had suggested to buy ICICI Bank and JSW Steel. Both have achieved the target, and for the next week I am suggesting two more stocks. One is Larsen and Toubro and one is Maruti. One can buy Maruti if it is able to move above the level of 8,900. Then in the medium term, see, this is quarterly chart of Maruti, and on Maruti near term resistance is directly at level of 9,700, and on the monthly chart it is moving along the band, so it has a very long range to go. And since it is moving along the band on the monthly chart, and if it is able to move above 8,900 level, then easily one can find the level of 9,500 in coming future. And on the weekly chart, again it is already above its resistance level, and on the daily chart. It is facing some resistance around the band, which I can show you. It is around the 8,000. It is the level is at around 8,870 or so, and the support is at around 8733. So if it is not moving below 8,700, then it can easily, then one can buy this stock above 8,900 level for the target of 9,200 and 9,500 and 9,700 in the medium term, that is within a month or two, correct. And one more is Larsen and Toubro. Larsen and Toubro is also in a very good uptrend from so many days, and the next in the next week both are going to announce its numbers. So on the daily chart it is completely moving along the band. On the weekly chart it has a possibility that it can move till the level of 2028 levels. Currently it has given close around 1627, and it can sorry, it is around at level of, just a minute, it has given the close at 1768, and easily it can move to the level of 2000 in the coming future. And on the monthly chart it is showing us the touching characteristics, and the stop loss will be 17,011. So these are the two very good stock which you can look upon and continue, ride with that stock, buy that stock, and you can easily achieve the given targets. So keep connected with me every week for such good stocks and such good levels on Nifty. Happy trading. Bye. Thank you.